Service is key, especially with a customer like Lowe's. Lowe's has spent a great deal of time and effort organizing their service groups. They've given a lot of structure to a process at retail that never had a lot of structure before. So Lowe's really challenged the Hillman group with a variety of things, in particular making sure that we knew where our reps were at all times, making sure that they were doing the task and the job functions that Lowe's needed done at retail. And CRC has come along and partnered with us to make sure that we're meeting all of Lowe's expectations. Some of the challenges that a vendor like the Hillman Group faces at store level is we were relying on an automatic replenishment system to keep up with the supply and demand at store level. We had stacks and stacks of paper built up in our office that we had to manually key in to a computer system, which created spreadsheets that our managers used to track our productivity, to track our call cycles, and to track our activities in the store. This was extremely labor intensive. So what CRC did was provide us with a fully automated solution that allowed us to eliminate all the manual key entries that we were making prior, and really provided us a complete solution to our productivity, our store activity, and our service call frequency information that we were looking for. This was a rollout that we were all somewhat anxious about, but CRC came in, they made it very easy for us. They provided us with the proper training tools that we needed. They provided us with the right support. The first 2 weeks, which you're going to have a few bumps in the road with any rollout, they were always there to answer the phone, to take care of the field reps' questions, to answer administrative questions that we had early on. So while we were apprehensive at first, the experience was nothing short of exceptional. The biggest thing has been for us was getting the managers in the stores side by side with the field reps, making sure that our reps are properly trained, making sure that Lowe's associates are properly trained on how to sell our product line in order to drive our business. So of all the features and benefits that these applications have provided us, I think the single largest benefit has been the peace of mind that knowing my managers are no longer tied up with administrative duties. Rather, they're out in the stores helping Lowe's drive their business and helping make sure that our associates are properly trained and that our displays are 100% in stock. Our challenge to our reps has always been, when our reps leave the stores, we want the Hillman Group product lines to be the best kept, best looking displays in the entire store. Now, while that sounds great, we were never able to get visibility on a daily basis, real time, to know for a fact that that was actually happening in the stores. It's also allowed us to know real time what our in-stock situation is like. We know where problems are before we get the phone call, so we can be proactive, making sure that our displays are 100% in stock and that the planogram integrity is there and that we're doing the things that our merchants and Lowe's LSM has asked us to do to drive our business. In terms of the service and the support that the Hillman Groups receive from CRC, I would have to say it has actually been above our expectations. One of the things that Robert did that really impressed me was Robert came to me and said, "Chip, we understand what the Hillman Group wants. We're going to meet those needs, and you're not going to have to pay for this until we get the changes made." It was an excellent experience. Their customer service, in my opinion, second to none.